Yo, what's up mga pare ko, Jongkoy? Tayo ay magbalaro ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na Puppy Playtime. So, unting kwento lang muna is na-upload ko na to sa TikTok. Tong laro na to. Nahati ko lang ata doon yun sa dalawa. And ilang taon na rin yun na nakakalipas siguro. So, sisimula ulit tayo sa umpisa ulit ng Puppy Playtime kahit sa dami na ng chapter. So without further ado, let's get started na. Chapter 1. Magbabalik na naman ulit tayo kay Hagi-Wagi. Visit na yan. Asan na yung, As an ex-employee of Playtime, CEO, he finally returned to the factory many years after everybody within disappeared. Okay. Tana, nakakamiss yung umpisa nito ah.
The most incredible doll ever invented. Her name is Poppy, and she is the first truly intelligent doll in the world. A little girl can talk to her. Poppy gives her answers. She is the first doll actually able to have a conversation with a child. Hard to believe? Just watch.
Poppy Playtime! Poppy's as lovable as a real girl, and she talks like one, too.
Hi, my name is Poppy. I love you. Can you help me polish my shoes?
Why, of course, Poppy. Just like a real girl, Poppy always wants to look her best.
Perfect. Thank you.
Her hair is sturdy and won't come out when you brush it, and smells just like a poppy flower. Is there anything else you'd like to say, Poppy?
I'm a real girl, just like you.
What's the time?
Playtime!
And if you've ever wanted to see how all of the nation's favorite toys were created, Playtime Co. is now offering factory tours at just $2.99 a person. An entire hour in the most magical toy factory on Earth. What are you waiting for? Come visit the factory. We can...
So ito yung kailangan talaga natin puntahan ngayon. So dito baka magawa na natin agad to ng part 2 pag-upload ko nito. Antayin nyo na lang siguro. Everyone thinks that stuff disappeared 10 years ago. We're still here. Find the flower. Paano kung wala kayo? Patay na kayo kay Agi. Kasalanan pa yun? Tagal na nito. Ilang chapter na rin na ilabas nito. Tapos ni-request mo pa to sa akin. Ni-request to lang to ng tropa ko. And yeah. Pakinggan natin lahat ng DVD.
Hi, my name is Leif Pierre, and I'm the head of innovation here at the Playtime Co. Toy Factory. If you're seeing this, then you're trespassing. Yeah, we play this little tape on loop whenever we close the factory for the day. So, trespasser, just to make you aware, while we pride ourselves primarily on our high-quality toys and excellent child care, we also pride ourselves on our security. For example, this facility is full of hidden motion triggers, which, once set off, will turn on the factory's emergency alarms and directly contact the authorities. And that's one of the more tame aspects of our security system. No spoilers. So, you've got my warning. It's not too late to turn around. I just hope that you're certain whatever you're doing is worth it.
Okay, sabi mo eh. So dito agad ang unang password natin. Ayan. Wala yung mga hagi dito. Meron ba tayo makikita dito? Meron ba tayo? Nakakamiss tong simula na to ah. Ano natin yung password na ito? Green, yellow, red. Okay. Easy peasy. At wala siyang ulo. Nga pala bago ko muna dito, update lang sa inyo is baka magtanggal ako ng mga ilang voice dito kasi gawa ng syempre naririnig yung mga manok. Nagawa na lang natin ng paraan yan. Okay, hold to grip. Parang sarap pag meron kang ganito, no? Hindi ka natatama rin, no? Yung tipong nasa second floor ka, kaya third floor ka, no? Tapos yung gamit nasa ground floor lang, kukunin mo na lang. Ito na, may isang hand na tayo. Let's go. Let's go. Hagi. Pwede makuha to? Hindi. Ay, pwede. Nahihila. Okay. Yung pula na lang kailangan natin hanapin ngayon. Hey, Agi. Kita ulit tayo. Huggy Wuggy 1984. Playtime ko. At sira. Kunin natin to, ayusin na natin yan. Pagbalik natin, wala na siya dun. Panigurado. At kailangan natin ng puzzle. Tsaka yung part 1 talaga nito, may limit talaga. May limit talaga no. Yung haba ng natin, hand natin. Balikan nga natin to. Hindi po natin balikan to pag nakuha natin yung yung gamit. Yung isang kamay. Uy, may kamay. Hugs. Yo, hugs. Okay, malakas ba yung sounds ko? Okay naman. Okay. Ganun. Asan? Ano nito? DVD player nito. DVD player. Oh, kailangan natin kumpletuhin at makuha natin yung red hand na yan. Ito, kita naman, mga nag-glow naman sila eh. Dalawa. Ano pa yung iba? Dito. Wala dito. Hanapin lang natin. Ayun, yun. Nakita ko na. Buti malikot ng kamay ko. Mata ko. Kamay ko. Tsaka natin balikan yung isa. Nakakamiss yung gantong simula pa lang ng Asan kaya yung isa? Ayun. Tapos balik tayo doon sa pinaka-umpisa. Parang galaw na sensitivity ko. Okay na rin yan. Whew. Dito yung first. Dito yung first habulan natin eh. Balik tayo. Di tayo magpo-proceed doon. Hindi muna tayo magpo-proceed dyan. Babalik tayo. Kasi meron isa doon eh. Yung dalawang ganto din eh. Check natin kung ano meron doon. Ay, sinarado. Dahil nabubuksan yan. Dahil nabuksan. Sayang naman. Tsaka ang hirap din ng buttons dito. Sobrang liit. Dito na tayo sa factory area. At kailangan natin ulit ng ano. Nandito. Ito yung simula. Paano to? Oh, okay. Dito tayo. Hindi tayo makalakad. Kusa na talaga tayo eh. Kahit di nagalaw mo yung joystick eh. Nakakamiss talaga yung simula talaga ng Poppy Playtime. Kasi hanggang sa ng chapter na ngayon, ang lala na nang nangyayari talaga. And we are here na. Okay. So, kailangan natin ng kuryente dito. Kaya sila lang natin nasa taas. Puzzle ulit. Di ba may disc to? Yun. Another disc. Pakinggan muna natin bago tayo mag-proceed. Kasi magiging saglit lang to eh. Ay, nako.
So, Stella, what made you want to work at the Playtime Co. factory?
Playing with toys when I was young was so magical. I could go straight from my bedroom floor to anywhere in the world. It was such a great feeling. And being able to work at a toy factory, somewhere that can provide kids with that same experience, that's a pretty great feeling too. Sometimes though, I really wish I could go back. To being a kid, I mean. And it's weird, because adults are just kids, but older. I don't think anyone ever really feels like an adult. Your body just gets older and older, and then you die. Poof! Human bodies just can't stay young forever. There's things, though, like some trees that can stay alive even while being way older than a person. I mean, the oldest people to ever live are still younger than those. So I guess everyone is always young relative to something, right?
All right, I think we're getting a little off track.
Teka nga lang. Ano lang yun? Tawag doon? Basta yun. At nalaglag na naman tayo. So dito probably pull natin to, tapos hihilahin natin ulit to para makapunta tayo doon at hindi na mahila. Ayos. Yan. Sa mangyayari, simula tayo dito, ikot, punta dito, tapos hawak doon. O, di ba? Mag-i-start na lang ngayon. Baba na tayo. Start. Gagawa tayo dito ng laruan. At tinitignan tayo. Tinitignan, ha? Kasi dito magkakaroon. Buti dito naganap pa yung paggawaan ng laruan. Todo natin yung brightness natin. Nakatodo naman. nga lang. Kasi wala nang magpasma yung kamay ko para sa habulan. Visit. Ito na, let's get started. Ay, naka. Kahit alam ko na yung may mangyayari na habulan dito. Game. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ay, mamamatay tayo ng buhay dito. Dito, takbo tayo dito. Punta doon. Baba. Buti kabisado ko pa yung daan. Ayoko lumingon kasi mamamatay tayo. Mga habol na naman yun. Diretso lang, huwag kalilingon kahit anong mangyari. Kasi mamamatay na tayo. Dude, dali mo. Ayoko pang mamatay. Yee! Bye-bye. Agi, ang kamay ko. Ang tagal bumalik niyan. Okay na. Finally. 19 minutes na ako nagre-record. Kala ko di mahahawakan yung isang ayaw gumana eh. Ang lawak nitong lugar na to. Grabe yung factory nila dito ng paggawa ng laruan talaga ni Wagi. At meron miss doon. Ito. Bago tayo pumunta doon, na yung nakita natin sa intro eh. Pakinggan na lang muna natin to bago tayo umenter doon.
Final log in relation. Experiment 1006. The prototype. Coordination and cooperation is evidently within his skill set, as well as the skill set of all other experiments of his type. Though still missing, today's events are no doubt in relation to him. His absence was a flaw in the scientific process, which should have under no circumstances been left unaccounted for. That's why I made this log, so that the same mistake won't be made twice. Any future experiments
Nako, si Wagi yun
disposed of in a secure location. I'm not worried about myself. One breakthrough and I'll be back. We must forge onwards in the name of science, whether those who are beneath us understand it or not. End of...
Okay. Patay na siya. Lawak nito. Pwede ba maggala ng isa iba ba? Hindi, pagawaan na to eh. Nakaharang na yung sa iba eh. Sa itaas, ganun din. Oo, ganun din. So, ang way natin talaga dito. Pagpasok natin dito, medyo FPS na tayo. Kasi gawa ng sa ilaw. Hindi pa naman dito actually. Doon sa isa. Yung bubuksan na natin yata si Papi. Kay Papi na ata tong lugar na to eh. Dito hindi pwede mabuksan to. Di ba pwede matulak ka? Tulak. Ito. Wala mabubuksan din. So dito na tayo. Sisimula na mag-FPS. Diba? Nung starting point. Kita pa rin kita. On. So ito na nga yung chapter 1, a tight squeeze ng ating Puppy Playtime, and and hopefully sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, and gagawa na lang natin ulit to na part 2 na kung saan binuksan na nga natin si Puppy, and hahabulin natin yung mga ilang chapter ng mga nanawala na meron na ngayon sa PC. So dito mga APK nang da-download natin. So leave a like and subscribe na lang kayo sa YouTube channel ko. Maraming salamat sa iyo at thank you din sa nag-request nito sa akin. Ayun na. Nagawan ko na. Medyo takte, nagkapasmado pa ako sa kamay na yun. Pagdating sa bulan talaga. Ayun na. Maraming salamat po. Salamat, bye-bye po.